Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Beyond the Weld. I'm your host, Lou Finch. Today we are in our laser cladding cell and we're going to be working on a piston repair where the customer needed approximately 60 to 90 thou of buildup on these five um, piston ring surfaces or on these piston grooves. And we're going to apply 2 layers of buildup, roughly 40 thou per pass. So that'll get us to just over 90 thou of buildup. Material is a bronze, and we're going to be applying aluminum bronze powders with the AL rock. A 3 kilowatt laser on a 6-axis robot. And this is going to be coaxially depositing the powder and then striking it with the laser at the substrate. So a bit more heat input than the pulse laser welding, but able to achieve a greater amount of buildup in a shorter amount of time and perfect for applications like this large piston that we're going to be working on. So it's going to be a almost 2-day runtime on this with the 5 grooves that we're building up on. So we'll capture that content and show you what we're doing. Thanks for checking in on another episode of Beyond the Weld. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what other kind of applications you want us to do a deeper dive on, and we'll see you guys soon.